Hello, everyone. My name is Siobhan Mullen, as he said, and I am the CEO of SAS Games. I'm here today to introduce you to our newest product, the Tivots College Savings Gameathon. The Gameathon is a fully automated, activity-based fundraiser tool for college savings. The Gameathon complements and does not compete with existing financial service vehicles. Instead, it funds those accounts and creates new accounts for college savings. It's a marketing tool for both business and commercial banking and enhances CRA efforts in local communities. But let's take a step back. If you were to ask a friend or family member with young children what keeps them up at night, one most likely response would be, how am I going to pay for college, when the cost of college is rising twice as fast as medical costs, and when students owe more in student loan debt than the entire country owes on credit cards. You probably already know that the average student graduates from college with $33,000 in debt before interest, and that the national student debt has now surpassed $1.2 trillion. With the Tivots College Savings Gameathon, we offer a unique solution to families to significantly offset those student loans and to help them afford higher education. A recent Washington University study showed that youth with savings accounts are 7 times more likely to attend college. Why? Because savings in the name of the youth is the strongest predictor of college attendance than family wealth or parents' savings. Now, before I tell you about the Gameathon, let me quickly tell you a little bit about Tivots. Tivots is an award-winning game engine that powers the Tivots Gameathon. It motivates children to improve their math skills and their critical thinking skills. Tivots addresses the math crisis in this country, where 70% of our 8th graders cannot do the math of their grade level. I don't know how that's going to help financial literacy. Tivots has won the Dr. Toy, the Parent's Choice, National Parenting, and Creative Child Awards. Over 400,000 children and 10,000 teachers already use Tivots. Tivots tournaments have been hosted around the country by Boeing, Lockheed, NASA, National Hockey League, museums, SeaWorld, and the Major League Baseball, to name a few. We've partnered with McDonald's in Florida to offer Tivots Tuesdays, where children can go and practice at McDonald's to prepare for tournaments. We've also partnered with Cal Ripken and Ripken Baseball to offer tournaments nationwide where children can win college scholarships. Now, the Tivots College Savings Gameathon is powered by that Tivots game engine. The Gameathon is like a walkathon. Children solicit pledges from friends, family, and neighbors. But instead of walking, they exercise those mental muscles by playing Tivots math games online. It's very easy for a family to register. It's like a video game. Username, password, very cool avatar. Once registered, they need to designate an account for all those hard-earned pledges to be deposited. It can be an already existing account, such as a 529 plan. Or they can open one quickly on our site with our banking partner in the name of the child. But the Gameathon is also a marketing tool for other financial service providers to increase deposits in their customers' accounts, or to open new accounts, or to engage families with other financial services. Now the family is ready to send out a pledge request. They can do that very quickly. They usually use a nice greeting like Dear Aunt Chelsea, and they can send them through email using their family email address book. They can do it in social media with Facebook or Twitter, or with a more personal approach by using text for an instantaneous answer. The pledge sponsor, such as Aunt Chelsea, receives a pledge request email. She simply clicks on Make a Pledge Now and reaches the child's personal pledge page. You see the smiling face of the child looking for pledges, a quick message about what the child wants to be when they grow up, like a professional skateboarder. Off to the left, a message from the child requesting pledges this year instead of Christmas presents. And then, of course, a goal that the child is trying to reach. Once the child starts reaching pledges from people like Aunt Chelsea, the child has to earn those pledges by playing these math and strategy games online. Once the child has played enough math and strategy games to trigger those pledges, Aunt Chelsea receives a pledge payment invoice. She can play it online or by smartphone using credit cards, check cards, or e-checks. Our system collects all of those pledge payments, puts them into a holding account until the end of the Gameathon, when our banking partner transfers all the pledged funds to the child designated college savings account. Now, the family just sits back and watches their college savings grow on the dashboard. The easier it is for us to increase deposits from the family network into those accounts, the more assets under management. We do all the work and you receive the customer's deposits. Now, let's take a quick look at the admin dashboard. The admin can see all gameathons happening simultaneously all over the country. In this quick example, you can see over 1 million users who've sent out about 30 million pledge requests, and they've already received $500 million in pledges, of which 400 million have been collected. Down below, you see match dollars available. Matches come from corporations, they come from foundations, even local businesses. Matches are based on kids' fundraising and on their gameplay performance. Matches are then collected by the system as well. All gameathons are named after financial service partners. A financial service partner is either an owner or a provider of college savings accounts or has access to the owners of those college savings accounts. Financial service providers or partners can use the gameathon tool to increase the funds in their customers' accounts, or they can use it to open new college savings account, or their local bankers can use it to engage new business opportunities. In addition to financial service partners, we are also interested in partnering with a bank to be the official bank that will collect all of the match funds and pledge funds and deposit them into the designated college savings accounts. On November 1st, we're launching the Tibbetts College Savings Gameathon in Tampa, the 8th largest school district in the country. Tibbetts is an easy way to teach kids math. It helps them earn money for college, and Tibbetts doesn't compete with any of the existing financial vehicles. It is a complement to those vehicles, and instead funds those accounts and helps children raise more money for college. If you're interested in becoming a financial service partner that would like to use our marketing tool, or if you're interested in becoming our official bank, please come see us at the booth, or interested in a gameathon outside this country. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share with you an innovation that we think will change the way families think about college. If you notice, the national debt clock has gone up $1.2 million since I've been talking. Thank you.